What do live coders eat? What do they eat? Why do they do it? We're gonna tell you today. Hello everybody, I'm Patsy Codes and I'm back here with one more video, one more time. And for some reason my audio is always too low. So I'm gonna yell. No, I'm not yelling. So anyway, today I'm here to talk about live coding. If you were here, chances are that you found me on Twitch first, because that's where I hang out, and we're in the live coding. If you Google live coding, you're gonna get something weird. Usually people talk about live coding when you're doing a conference, you're coding something live, or when you're doing an interview, a technical interview, and people ask you to code. But the live coding I'm talking about is a little bit different. What is it? I do live coding on Twitch. I go on Twitch almost every day, usually 5 days a week, and I code live coding. I know that makes a lot of sense. And sometimes I don't even code. Sometimes I just talk about code, or learn code, or teach code. But most of the times, there's some code somewhere in the process, even if it's just even if it's just the code that I'm talking about, and that's okay. That's what makes live coding on Twitch different from watching videos on YouTube. Like, when you see tutorials on YouTube, just go there to the tutorial to learn how to make a form in HTML. You don't want to do anything else. But when you go to a live code on Twitch, you want to learn, yes, but you want to hang out with people. You want to make friends, you want to learn, you want to teach. Like right now, I'm learning Python. So I'm learning Python, and often people that know lots of Python, you just stop by to say hi and to tell me what I'm doing wrong. They're nice. They tell that, they say that in a nice way, which I appreciate. So yes, like, how does that work? It works how you want it to work. I do that on Twitch. I don't know, people do this in YouTube too. I love YouTube, but I don't feel like YouTube is a place for live coding. And you just choose a project, and you can be anything you want. You start doing your channel and do it. So why are the cool kids doing it? You see more and more there's like streamers, these programmers, influencers on Twitter or on Instagram or whatever, this company is doing stuff at Twitch. Because it's fun, okay? If you do it right, it's very fun. Like, I'm learning these things, and then I make a fool of myself, and I laugh, and people laugh, and I make friends. I have made some really, really great friends on Twitch, and that's awesome. Also, it's a good way to learn in public, because you're learning things out loud, you have people helping you, and you're exposing yourself. That also helps you with your communication skills. That's something that in real life is a bit more nerve-wracking, like, I had to talk in front of 30 people. On Twitch, I talk in front of 30 people almost every day. That's okay. I don't see their faces, they're talking. Do they exist? Are you real, or are you just a bot? I don't know. I mean, you never comment on my YouTube channel, so how do I know that you're real? Just saying, just put it out there. Anyways, so there are several reasons to actually do live code. Maybe you're just bored, and you have nothing else to do in these pandemics, or maybe you just want to teach people something, or maybe you just want to watch live codes. Like, I know lots of developers that they have no interest in doing live coding, but they love to watch, because again, they can help, they can learn, and they can just have some friends in a co-working environment in this pandemic. I know that lots of devs, they worked remotely before, but not everybody, and some people are really struggling with this. So, if you feel lonely, you can always channel and just listen to me struggling with Python. It's beautiful, I assure you. Oh jeez, nobody saw the brand. Jeez. I don't know how to do this YouTube thing. Christian said I'll be a good YouTuber, but I don't know what I'm doing. Spoiler. So yes, should you start doing live code? Maybe. I'm gonna tell you a little bit of why I do it and how to start doing it. So I do it because first it's fun. I start doing it just to keep myself accountable from projects. Like, I'm a front-end developer. I mean, I was. And I was never finished. I never finished my portfolio. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna stream myself doing this portfolio. I'm gonna tell my 2 friends that I'm doing this, and I'm gonna maybe be accountable, because if I'm streaming that, I have to actually do the work. And they helped me. I finished the portfolio, and then I ended up meeting more people. And now I have a community, and now I work streaming live coding. Thanks, New Relic. So yes, it's fun. I get to learn, I get to teach, I get to meet people. Some days, like I said, I just talk about code. Some days I just talk about my life, and that's fine. It really depends on the streamer style. Like, some streamers are gonna be coding, break, coding. I code, and they have a break, and the chat, and then what is coding again? Oh yes, I had to finish that. Yes, I do have ADHD, in case you're wondering. And that's fun. And I have, like I say, I met people. I improved my communication skills like so much. I am a very shy, awkward, introvert, ENTP. No, ENFP. Sorry, I was INTP, but then I grew some feelings, apparently. Who knows? So yes, live code is fun. Maybe you are shy, and that's okay. If you want to start live coding or something that I have wondering, after, what's Twitch? I can talk about Twitch on YouTube? I don't know, can I? Twitch is a streaming platform used mostly for gamers. So there's lots of gamers there. And hidden away on a category called Science and Technology, you can find some wild live coders coding live. Yes, this video is much better than the last one, because I'm actually enjoying myself. This is the secret for everything in life, friends. You gotta enjoy yourself. Yes. So yeah, if you have any interest in start doing live code, the first thing I would recommend you is watch live coding. Okay, and there's lots of great streamers out there. Myself, and Child Codes, Aisha Codes, my friend Ali. I'm gonna link some people here, and I'm gonna be I'm gonna link people that I work with, because I just work with awesome people. And you can see that if you watch a few live streamers, you're gonna see that everybody has a different style. Like my friend Christian, he just has been talking and doing research how much developers make, and Child Codes is always making these awesome projects, and her streamer is more code heavy based. I talk a lot and I learn, so right now I'm learning things, and that's fun. Some people just build projects on their streams, so you can do lots of things. You can learn, you can teach, you can build, you can talk. But if you talk too much, then you have to go to the just chatting category. So don't talk. You can talk too much, but talk about code. Then you can be inside technology. And that's it. You can live code whatever you want. Just make sure that you're having fun and you're sharing your screen. If you want to get started, go watch the previous streams. Come say hi on my channel. Maybe I can go watch you if you want. Be my friend. I'm a good friend. And that's what I have to do today. Like, seriously, if you're just at home, pandemics, what do I do? I'm so bored. Go watch live code or go try live coding. I don't know. Anyways, I recommend it. It's fun. And plug Front-End Foxes. You can do one of the Front-End Fox tutorials on live coding. Yay. Yes, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about live code, about live coding, or if you're doing live coding and you want me to go check you out, or if you want me to do a video about something, I don't know. Like, are people really watching this video? I don't know. If you're really watching this video, let me know, because I feel so lonely sometimes. Anyways, please subscribe, do the like, do the heart, all those things. I love you. Yes, if you're watching this video to the end, I do love you. So does the unicorn. And that's all. I hope you have a great week, and peace